So today we're still solving more questions. So we have express 5 over 6, 5 over 8 as a decimal, 5 divided by 8 as a decimal, right? So to get this done, we'll do this simple. We'll do something as simple as this, right? So 5 stays inside because it's in the numerator and 8 stays outside. Now 5 is less than 8, so 8 cannot divide 5, right? We're looking for decimals. So since 8 cannot divide 5, I'll put a 0 up here and introduce a dot, and I'll introduce a 0 here. Now 50 can be divided by 8. Now how many 8s do I have in 50? I have 6, right, from our 6 times table. 6 times 8 is 48. It means that when this is done, I'll say 50 minus 48. The answer is 2. Now 8 cannot divide 2, so I introduce a 0 here. We're not introducing another dot after this. So how many 8 do I have in 20? 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Right? Now 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16 gives me 4. Can 8 go into 4? No. So what I do is I'll introduce another 0 here. And then can 8 go into 40 this time? Yes. So 8 can go into 40. So my answer here will still be what? 5. 8 times 5 will give me 40. And then 40, take away 40, and answer is 0. So 5 over 8 divided by 5 divided by 8 is the same thing as 0.625. That's our answer. That's our answer. Thank you. If you've not watched any video, or you look for a video on division like this, like we've just done, right, there's a link to the video on division down below. I'll see you in the next video.